What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Omzy here, and today is finally the day I've been waiting for, the day that you have all been waiting for. It is the very first episode of Chainsaw Man. How long we have waited for this day, waited for this anime to finally come out. Literally the most anticipated anime of the entire year, and possibly the one that I've ever heard of. Like, literally, there's been so much talk about this anime for so goddamn long, ever since it was announced last year. I am so excited that we're finally here. The next 12 weeks are going to be absolutely insane with this anime. I've heard so many good things, especially of today. It has taken over social media, obviously, but no, I am so excited to just see everything that MAPPA has in store for this anime. I'm excited to see what the character of Denji eventually does in here, and how he kind of differentiates from any other shonen kind of character, where he has to make a deal with this devil Pochita. I believe that's what it is. I could be maybe saying the wrong thing, but I don't know. So I am just very, very excited. I only know a little bit of this. I know the core premise, but I just don't really know anything else that kind of happens. I know that Denji has some debt that he still needs to pay off, and I think the Yakuza has him like kill devils for them to get some money or whatever. So he's just passing by and passing through life as he's just trying to make it through. But no, I can't remember what exactly happened after that. I know we have this character named Power, who I believe is a devil. Not sure what she's probably going to have in here, but we're obviously going to have to see. But no, the first thing I am definitely hoping to God I see is pure fucking gore. Literally, I want to see limbs chopped off. I want to see blood go everywhere. Literally uncensorship throughout this entire goddamn thing. And I am so excited that MAPPA is actually doing that. I am just so excited to finally see this anime. And literally, just what else do I have to say? Literally, let's just get straight the fuck into it, because that's what I know you guys are waiting for. I know you guys probably passed through this damn thing, passed through the intro just to get to the damn episode. So that's what I'm obviously gonna have to do. But no, I am so excited. Without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys like my reaction, like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you guys want to be notified, I will release those videos. Definitely smash that notification bell. But with that being said, let's get right into the very first episode of Chainsaw Man. Already looks really good. Already looks really good. I assume this is Denji, unless this is somebody else. What happened? Ah. I already love how it looks. This is some of the shots we've seen in the trailer. It looks so good. I assume that's Pochita? I think, once again, I've said this before, I think MAPPA was a great choice for this anime. I am so excited to see what MAPPA really does with this. Just overall, the scope and like the color tone just looks really, really nice. Ugh. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's disgusting. Wow, he is really desperate for money. So obviously he's probably going to go 300,000 yen. So, okay, alright. Interesting looking. See, like, that's what, like, even with, like, JJK and with, like, the crazy kind of monsters that we see in there, it was great. Alright, let's get into this intro. Oh man, when the action finally comes, oh my lord. Why is it giving me, maybe some of you can probably relate, why is it giving me a Five Nights at Freddy's feel? I don't know. I don't know, maybe it's just like the B and the energy, I don't really know. For at least the chorus, but no. Finally here, let's go. Oh yeah, he got that job done. The tomato devil? Yeah, I bet it will. 400,000, shit. Oh no. Oh no. Them damn fees. Oh no. How much is he gonna be though? 70,000? Ugh. Yeah, this dude's in a freaking struggle. My god. Damn, that's not even gonna hold you over. God. His deadbeat's old man's death. Interesting. Doesn't back off or anything else. No, he just does what he do. Yeah. Then again, he doesn't have a choice, kind of. Yeah, totally. Like, I would definitely need 100 yen just to do that. Is he? Fuck me, I guess. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, throw that shit out. Aww. Pochita is... I feel like I'm really gonna love Pochita. I feel like he's gonna be probably one of the standout characters in here. I love the certain wide shots. Like, I can't really remember what those are called, but it's just so great. It's never too late, maybe. Oh, is this his dad? I assume that died. Without paying the month's installment first. Fuck, he hung himself. Jesus Christ. This character is put in such a terrible situation. And he didn't even ask for any of this. Oh. So this is when he met Pochita for the first time? He looks so cute, but at the same time, he's probably scary as hell. I'm dead either way. Oh, shit. And then he helped him, probably. Oh, man. Oh, no, that's crazy. I heard the drinking blood heals the devil. Being able to put himself out there for the dog. This is a deal. Aww. Then I'm gonna flirt with a girl. That's a sweet dream. Oh shit, he's coughing up blood? The fuck? Is he dying now? Or something? Or my mom died from some heart disease that made her cough up blood. Huh. That better not be the Yakuza. Of course it is. Shit. He might be dead before he even gets to the next devil. The infamous warehouse that we've seen in multiple trailers. Let's see what happens here. He's not saying anything. I feel like he's leading him into a trap or something, where like other Yakuza are probably gonna show up. Yeah, something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. You're loyal as a dog. Yep, yeah, and that's why we gotta take you out. Oh, did he stab him? Oh, shit! Through Pochita, too? Think about getting bigger and making more money. Oh, hell no. Demonic power. Look at that thing. What the f... Oh, no. Well, we have victims. I'm the zombie devil. They have machetes, they have knives, they have bats, they have everything. It's weird for zombies to be carrying out, like at least carrying around weapons or whatever. Shit. They're probably maybe gonna have the exit blocked off or something, I don't know. No matter what, he's gonna be cornered. I love how smooth, I mean, that's, oh my god, that's what we've known about Mappa, really, really smooth animation. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, you are far from normal. Is there a moment where he turns into him? See? Oh, fuck. Damn, now we're about to see some of the good old days with these two. Yeah. So this is the moment right here. Won't be on your case if you win until I've been buried. Aww. Even though he can't live a normal life, he still wishes it for Pochita. I'm really liking the chemistry of these guys, and you can just even see just how much he cares about Pochita and everything. Oh, look at this! Look at that! Oh, we're back. He's back, let alone. Did you save my body like I said? Yeah. It could talk. I mean, I could maybe see it talk, but I'll give you my heart. And in exchange, I want to show you your, show me your dream. Huh. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that thing to talk at all. I know it's a devil, but still. Wow, alright. Huh. Oh, I'm feeling this score. I'm liking it. Come on, bring me more. I wasn't satisfied with the happiness I had with Vegeta. I'm really vibing with the music. I'm liking it. Can't blame them for wanting more no matter what. Oh, pull it! Pull the cord! Oh, shit. Let loose. You hear it! You hear it! Oh my god. Look at that! God, that look is so amazing. Now let loose. Oh shit, right in the fucking face. Right in the eye. Oh. Damn, now you're gonna pay for that. Oh shit. Yeah, retreat. Everybody get the hell out of the way. Just throwing all of his freaking minions at him. All of the freaking zombies, just launching them. Shit! Shit! Oh, the animation looks great. He's in the air. Look at him! Oh my god. This is gonna be the most gory, bloodiest show I've ever seen in my life. More than even Demon Slayer. Oh my god. Y'all want some more? I see then again, they're probably maybe not going to do anything since their kind of quote-unquote leader was taken out. So I better call them the devils, right? Oh, shit! Oh my god! Oh. This is so great. I'm digging it. Oh my god, this is gonna be great. Now they're all gonna show up and see the fucking devastation that was inside of there. But now, so far, first impressions, I'm really, really loving it. The animation's smooth as hell, gory as hell, and literally everything that I want. What a shot. Oh, he's still there. Look at this. I wasn't expecting him to still be there. He's got a strange smell. Are you sure it's just not the blood? Nah. Oh yeah, he's out. Wow. That's one way for it going away. Just melts away.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。
With the look at their face.
私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
With public safety, huh? God, the freaking shots are so amazing.
悪魔として
I
私
can
に
kill you
殺
like
さ
a
れる。
devil.
人として
I
私
can
に
keep
飼
you
わ
as
れ
a
るか。
human.
飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
So these guys will help him.
餌って朝飯は
Like, what's for breakfast?
食パンに
Bread with
バター
butter.
とジャムを塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザート。
That's good. That's good for me other than just bread. He's probably like, please. All right. That sounds awesome. Wow. All right. First episode done in the books. We do know that there are going to be 12 different endings to this show. I am so excited to see what they are as well. It's just so different. And man, do I have a lot to say. First episode impressions of the long and anticipated wait for Chainsaw Man. I really, really loved it. And god damn it, I'm so excited to see more. Just number one, Mappa looks incredible in here. I love what Mappa is doing. The animation looks so great. The certain shots, the certain pans and tilts, it's just they're incorporating so much into here where it's really not like it fits, because I haven't read any of the manga or whatever, but I've just heard from people like with Mappa taking this project on, it really fits with some of the panels and everything that is with Chainsaw Man and just what this show brings and what the entire story brings to it. So it looks visually beautiful. The color tone is great. The pans and the certain shots, wide shots, are so beautiful. And I just want to see more. I just want to see more different shots, and I just want to see what more Mappa is going to bring with this show and what kind of certain aspects that they're going to really do. So I'm just so excited to just see more of it. The character of Denji, he's really sympathetic so far. This character, just even the first couple things of dialogue with him being like, oh yeah, I gave up my kidney, I gave up my eye, I gave up one of my testicles. Like, oh my God, like just to even see everything that this character has been through for God knows how long, ever since his dad committed suicide, must have been absolute hell with the Yakuza as well. Just like absolute hell, just trying no matter what, just to get as much money as possible in order, like even though he has to pay the Yakuza, he's just literally just paying everybody, and just no matter how many fees he has to do, he's only left with freaking scraps that he has to just deal with him and Pochita, which, speaking of Pochita, going right into it, I love the chemistry and the dynamic between these two characters. I think it's absolutely adorable. I wasn't expecting for him to talk, but then again, he is a devil, so I just wasn't sure if we were going to get that in here. But no, I really think Pochita is an absolute adorable character. He measures between adorable and also crazy as well, and just he's a really adorable character. He makes adorable with also really kind of scary when you really get down to it, and I'm just so excited to just see more. And yeah, it just really shows how much Denji really does care for Pochita, and like even though he wants to live a normal life, which at this point right now in his life, where he's lost like literally almost probably a quarter of his body so far, and who knows how much more he's gonna do. But as like previously, before he turned into the Chainsaw Man, he just wished for Pochita to basically kind of live a normal life and a peaceful life and a happier life than what he's kind of doing right now. So I don't know if it's maybe with that for other people, maybe, but then again, we haven't seen really anybody else. Like the only really kind of person or thing that Denji has in his life is Pochita. Like he obviously doesn't have a mother, dad, probably any other family that at least that I know of so far that's in this show. But unless they're probably going to reveal something else. But no, just so excited. We waited for so long to finally see this anime, and I am so excited to just see the story with this. That is the one thing that I am definitely most excited for, and that's definitely the number one thing that I'm going to keep touch about is the story, because I've been hearing from so many people that the story is absolutely incredible. I heard that there was maybe twists and turns in here and just everything else. But no, I'm so excited. Chainsaw Man's finally here. Every Tuesday is going to be absolutely insane. And obviously tomorrow is Mob Psycho. So now we have finally reached the peak of the fall anime season. My Hero on Saturday, Spy Family on Sunday, Chainsaw Man on Tuesday, and now Mob Psycho on Wednesday. We're here. It's great, and I cannot wait to see more. Thank you guys for watching my reaction. You guys are excited for the rest of Chainsaw Man, and you guys like the channel, let's subscribe, comment down below. And as always, my name is Omzy, and I am out.